What's going on, guys? It's William. Today, I am going to show you how to make a single button on your computer that will tell you exactly all the new properties that came up in your area with your criteria already done, and literally it'll take you about 15 seconds per day to check the marketplace. Here we go.
Welcome to the Smack Dash, the beat down. The SWAT team is here on another beautiful day of shutting the week down.
Hey guys, if you're new, welcome to the channel. My name is William Dauria. I'm a professional real estate investor. I live off of passive income, and I want to show you how to do the same. I own a portfolio of single family, multifamily, and commercial units, and I want to show you in this video how I check daily the properties on the marketplace and the fastest way to dig into your criteria. Here we go. Okay, so the very first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go to realtor.com. That's realtor.com. And you're gonna type in like the local area that you wanna research. In this case, I'm gonna type in Wiley, Texas. And there it is there. And I'm gonna go ahead and click on search. Okay, so once I'm in here, you're going to see price, and I'm just going to set it up the way I would set it up, and then you can adjust for your area. So on price, I'm going to put something so I don't get like the zero or no price stuff. And then I'm going to look up to $180,000. Property type, I'm going to look at, I want to see multi-family and single family. Now, obviously, you would adjust the price for multi-family, but occasionally you'll find one that's cheaper, but I just want to keep that criteria in there. Bedroom count, so I'm looking for a 3-bedroom plus. Bath, I'll leave open. Listing status, you can actually hide whatever you don't want to necessarily see. For instance, we'll do that just because of the criteria I have. And then more filters. I don't use anything like that, but this is where you're going to get all of your examples so far. However, this is not as far as we're going to go. So what we're going to do is we're going to deep dive over here on the map. Right over here on the map, you're going to click on this. Now, once you get to this spot, you're actually going to see a map here. And this particular map, let me get you guys there. All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to scroll back, okay? And by the way, let me get all the way out, just to kind of show you where I am, like in the United States, okay? So this is the whole United States. And this is Texas, and this is Dallas area. So this is kind of where I'm at, okay? And, well, there's my house. Okay, so we're going to get, let me see here. I want to show you what I'm doing here. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this draw button right here. And when you click on this draw button, you are going to pick the area that you want to encompass. So for this, I'm going to say, I like the Dallas, North Dallas area. I'm going to pick a highway to stay above, and then that is my bubble. So it's going to search inside this bubble. You got the 180,000 multifamily, single family, 3-bedroom plus, and any other criteria that you want to specifically narrow down. And in this case, we have 51 homes, and we got homes that are posted as early as 3 minutes ago, 20 hours ago. This is very updated, and it's a great site for this. Now, what you'll do is, this is all your current criteria. You might find something in here, you might not, but if you check it every single day by keeping this on newest listings, every single day, you'll see the stuff that just hit the market. And if you're checking this daily, that's the way to stay not only on top of the market and get the greatest deals, but also to follow the market in general, so you know kind of what's out there at what price. So you know when a house comes in underpriced that you need to jump on it immediately because you know that's a good deal. So what you'll do in this case is you'll go to save under the star button. I will show you over here. You'll click the star button right up here. Let's back you out. And then you will type in, I will type in test. And then bookmarks toolbar, done. And it's going to be right over here. And then you can drag and drop, say like right there. And every single day, you click on that, and then it's going to take you right back to the criteria that you had just put in there. And that is the very best way to stay on top of the market. It literally takes just 30 seconds per day to see all the new listings and to follow trends. Guys, if you like this video, consider smashing the like button, and I will see you on the next one.